Hello friends, welcome to my channel Review Masala. Today I am going to unbox a book that is sent to me by Oswaal Publishers as a specimen copy, teacher's specimen copy. And this book contains physics sample papers for class 10th and 12th board examination, Cbse board examination. I will tell you what does this book contain and what are the type of the questions and my suggestions whether to buy this book or not.
This is the pattern of the, as you can see, this is the design of the question paper of the upcoming 2024 board exams. Here the divisions, here are 5 sections: section A, section B, section C, section D and section E. So basically in section A, the questions that are going to be asked are MCQs plus assertion and reasoning. There are 12 number of questions, each of marks 1 marks and 4 questions of assertion and reasoning, and each carrying 1 marks. The total marks in section A is 16 marks. Section B consists of short type questions. Number of questions are 5 and each question mark is 2 and total marks are 10 marks. Section C contains 7 questions and 3 marks questions that are 21 marks. Section D consists of case based questions. There are 2 number of questions, each question carry 4 marks and it make 8 marks. Section E, long answer type. Number of questions asked will be 3 questions and 3 multiplied by 15, that is 15 marks. So our total marks will be 70 marks and total questions are 33 questions. So this is basically the model of your ongoing 2024 board exam. Now here are basically solved questions are there, solved sample papers are there, and 5 sample papers are solved, and then 5 sample papers that they are self-assessment paper that you have to solve by yourself, and solutions are also given of these papers. So overall this book provides sufficient number of sample papers so that you can make your study up to the mark. And let us see more in this book. There are, as you know, that there are 9 units. First is electrostatics, second is current electricity, third is magnetic effect, electromagnetic induction, electromagnetic waves, optics, dual nature, atoms and nuclei, and electronic devices. Unit 1 and 2 combined to make 16 questions. Unit 3 and 4 combined to make 17 marks. Electromagnetic waves 18 marks and optics both combined 18 marks. Similarly, dual nature, atoms and nuclei makes 12 marks and electronic devices makes 7 marks. So these are the marks distribution on the basis of unit. This is the syllabus. Now this is the question paper design 2023-24. So basically this is very important thing that I have to discuss with you. This is typology of questions. किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वो बताया गया है. First is based on remembering the facts and the learned concept from the material, or second is understanding how you understand that topic and basically the concept behind any topic in a particular unit. This will consist of 27 marks. Now second thing is applying on what you have understand through any unit, how you apply in a particular numerical. So basically second type of typology is based on solving problems, or you can numericals, etc. It will consist of 22 marks. Third is analyzing, evaluating and creating. Third type of scheme consists of 21 marks. These 21 marks are based on analyzing, evaluating and creating. So basically this is the typology of the questions that are going to be asked in your board exams. Here MCQs, basically very in short form it is explained what type of questions and what is the basically the pro forma of your board exam questions. Now next page, this is the 2023 board exam paper. So you can, and here the solution are from toppers copy. So how the toppers usually write and in what form they write, and very inappropriate manner how should you write, so you can so in order you can get maximum number of marks. It is explained very nicely, briefly explain why and how a galvanometer converted into ammeter. So in this way you have to write the answer, so that in a particular allotted time you can solve your question paper, because the question paper of physics is very lengthy, and you should manage time in order to solve this paper in a given time. This is a topper's copy, very beneficial for you. So in this way you can write your answer.
Now I will further show you what does the book contain. These are the short notes of the chapters. The formulas are given. These are the notes of the respective chapters, very short notes, so you can memorize the formulas of a particular unit. These are the self-assessment papers, or basically you can say the sample papers, and the questions in the sample papers are very important from the point of view of the exams. So you can go through these sample papers when your preparations are completed, or you can solve these papers side by side when your particular chapter is completed. So very good for examination point of view, and these sample papers are based on the latest design of the paper, so it will be very beneficial for you if you go through them. I will suggest you to solve these papers before attending your main exams, and the solutions are also given of these papers, so in case you have any doubt you can check the solution. And I will suggest you this book to go through this book. It is available in the market, you can purchase from your nearby bookstore. So my suggestion is that before attending your main exam, go through this book so you can check your ability, skills and weaknesses, because by assessing your weaknesses you can make them correct and can get success in your exams. So thank you for watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe.